They can because they think they can. That's it. That's pretty much sums it up. That's the whole game for the world class, for the professionals. Champions win long before the scorecard shows up, before the scoreboard flashes, before their name shows up anywhere. Here's what most people miss. Everyone's belief system starts from the outside. Parents, teachers, coaches, pastors, friends, people who meant well, but they passed on their own limits like a family recipe. You didn't choose most of what you believe. It was programmed into you early and often. Stuff like, don't get your hopes up, play it safe. Success is for people like them, not people like us. People like you, people like me, don't go there. Don't do those kinds of things. Have you ever heard those things before? Ever? Probably have. But not world class, not for professionals, not for those that are really driven. They got the same messages, but at some point they woke up. Then they started saying, that isn't mine. And they start reprogramming daily. And that's what separates them from everybody else. They build new beliefs on purpose because they know that they will only stick to what they think that their mind is telling them through repetition, self-talk, and self-coaching. Here's good news. You can do that too today, right away. You can choose what to believe. You can question this stuff that you've been dragging around since you were 6 or 11, and you can replace it with something better, anything better. Here's what no one wants to admit or tell themselves. Champions don't really win because they were inherently more talented. They win because they believe differently. They believe deeper, earlier, and longer. And then they have an edge just because of that belief system. Talent's important. Believing in yourself is more important. And believing in yourself drives more talent. It drives you to practice, work harder, admit what you don't do well, improve it, reiterate, try again, fail, try again. So here's what you can do right away. Start a list of what you actually believe about money, what you believe about success, what you believe about yourself, what you're capable of, what your limits are. And then go line by line and ask this question. Is this helping me or is this holding me back? Is that belief helping me get to where I wish I were? Beliefs aren't permanent. They are programmable. So if something isn't serving you, rewrite it. That's how the world-class champions do it. That's how the best of the best, the wealthy, the rich, the successful, the happy, that's how they do it. And that's how you can do it as well, just like them.